you are attracted like that, and you begin to fall in love, and then when you become deeply in love, when people are madly in love, they are mad, really mad. The eyes doesn't work anymore, ears doesn't work anymore, the mind doesn't work anymore. They say love is blind, am I right? But I say to you, it is not only blind, it is also deaf, dumb and stupid.
Welcome to Prophetic Eye, a channel dedicated to uncover our prophetic revelations from the teachings and visions of Sadhu Sundar Selvaraj.
See, when you like something and when you pray, you feel peaceful. That's dangerous. Very dangerous. See, when a young man falls in love with a young girl, or a young girl, see, you all seem to like this topic now. Or a young girl falls in love with a young man. And of course, in the beginning, they start out as friends, right? One attraction goes, one look, oh. While I was waiting for my ride this morning, I sat at the hotel lobby and there was a magazine on the table. It was about a wedding planning magazine. So I was just flipping through the magazine. It was about the various event management for weddings. So there were many couples, pictures of their stories. So one particular couple, I read their story. It says that they met each other in the university. So once there was a freshman welcome party. So this young man or this young girl, she's from Ghana. So she went to this party and she heard some sweet singing, and that song was her favorite song. So she felt pulled in the direction. Sounds familiar? So she felt pulled in the direction, and she went to that particular area where the song was sung, and she saw a very handsome man. You know where the problem is now. We need to pray much for these people, Pastor. So she felt pulled to that direction and she saw this handsome man singing her most favorite song. And after the song session, while they were having drinks, that handsome man did not notice this girl, right? He was busy singing. But this girl couldn't take her eyes off the guy. So after the song, he was seated at the next table and this girl was seated at a different table. But all the while, she was looking at that guy. And this guy suddenly happened to turn around and he caught her eyes. So immediately he took picture. You know, you don't need camera to take pictures. Your eyes can take click, click. Am I right? See, I told you. So after that, it blossomed into a friendship, it blossomed into a love, and they were happily married. Ghana and Nigeria. Jollof rice and dodo. So, when you are attracted like that, and you begin to fall in love, and then when you become deeply in love, when people are madly in love, they are mad, really mad. The eyes doesn't work anymore, ears doesn't work anymore, the mind doesn't work anymore. They say love is blind, am I right? But I say to you, it is not only blind, it is also deaf, dumb and stupid. Amen? Why it is deaf, dumb and stupid? Because the reasoning doesn't work anymore. So now comes the dangerous part. Then you go to pray to seek the will of God. And when you pray, because you already like that boy or like that girl, naturally what will you feel? Peace. Peace. It may not be the will of God. But because you feel peaceful, you will falsely think this is the will of God. And you will end up marrying the wrong person. And that will become a thorn throughout your entire life. So we must be very careful. So I always advise even my own staff and in my public messages, when your emotions are involved in a matter, go and consult your church pastor or elders and ask them to pray for you. Then because they are not in the picture, they can objectively seek the will of God for you and help to guide you in the right way. Amen? So that is a safety net for us. I practice the same thing, When I am involved in something where my emotions are involved, I call my pastor friends, my minister friends, and I tell them, these are the issues, please help me to seek the mind of God.